What's up, y'all? I'm back again today with another video. Today is an unboxing video. I got a new metal detector. I got the Garrett AT Max, and I got it as a bundle from detectorwarehouse.com. And I'm going to do an unboxing video for y'all to see how it was packaged, how it came, and everything else, and get ready for a series of metal detecting videos so I can see if I can find me some good coins, some relics, some Civil War stuff. And I used to metal detect probably about 7 or 8 years ago and gave up the hobby, but I miss it, want to get back into it, and I'm going to share the experience with you. So let's flip this camera around and we're going to get to unboxing. All right, first up we got the metal detector. I believe the metal detector is in this box. Let's get this thing opened up here. Garrett AT Max with Z-Link wireless technology. Now it's supposed to be for wireless headphones, and supposedly I can do the pinpointer, the Garrett pinpointer wireless too with these headphones. Alrighty. Got a Garrett metal detector 2021 buyer's guide. Metal detectors. I'm sure this has got some accessories in it. Lay that right there. Got me another hat. There's those Garrett Z-Link MS3 wireless headphones. This is the cover for the coil to protect the bottom of it. Got a digger's pouch, put your trash in, which I know we're going to be digging a lot of trash on these videos probably. I might try to cut most of them out. Garrett, yep, Z-Link wireless Garrett pinpointer AT series. Right here is going to be your nut and bolt for the coil to attach to the metal detector. And I believe the batteries already come installed in this and the Pro Pointer. Let's see. This thing's going to be plugged up pretty good because it is waterproof up to 10 feet. Comes with Duracell batteries. See if I can get this thing back in there right. There we go. Your wireless headphones are not waterproof, so if you decide you want to go and if you want to dive down under the water, you need to get the Garrett waterproof headphones, and they will plug in right here. This is still able to go under waterproof. Like, you can put this whole thing under the water when you're metal detecting and it'll be okay. But your wireless headphones are not waterproof. You do not want to put them under the water. Right here's your stick that goes, I say stick, your shaft. Oh my God, it doesn't matter what I say, it's not going to sound right. This attaches to here, and got your Garrett metal detector's warranty. This is something you have to fill out and send in. I believe the Garrett metal detectors do have a 2-year warranty. You just go and register it. That way if anything messes up, probably factory defects, you know the warranty thing. Lift this up, and here's your coil. And I'm not going to set this thing up today, but we will get some videos. Let me get this thing put back in here, if I can get it put back in here the right way. And we will see what's in this bag. This metal detector from the Detector's warehouse came with some bonus items for free. And we're going to see what kind of free items they give us. Up there. Hopefully I don't cut nothing in them bags. Alright. Dragon. Okay, this looks like the metal detector bag to protect your metal detector. Got a dragon digger. Let's see what this thing looks like. Sweet. All right. My Garrett razor shovel will be here Sunday. Some metal detecting gloves, a thank you card, all right, so we got a lanyard for our pin pointer, that way you can hook it to you and you don't leave it. This is a tip protector for your pin pointer. Little 5x handheld pocket magnifier. Oh, cool. Looks like another, we appreciate you. You've been upgraded. Sweet. So this is another pouch that you can wear on your side for all your goodies, all your trash, because you don't want to leave no trash behind when you're digging it up. Throw that stuff away. But all right, there's the unboxing. Garrett AT Max. Let's flip this camera back around. Garrett AT Max from Detector's Warehouse. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video, and if you want to go on my hunting adventures with me, some of them or all of them, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any videos, and I will see you in the next video.